In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change name in StreamYard. Whether you're joining a broadcast as a host or a guest, setting the right display name makes you look polished and helps your audience know who you are. I'll walk you through the quick process of changing your name before you enter the studio, so it shows up correctly the moment you go live. First, open your StreamYard broadcast link. This is the link you were given to join the session. When you click it, StreamYard will take you to the camera and mic check screen. This is a short pre-join area that helps you confirm everything looks and sounds good before you step into the studio. Even if you're not adjusting your camera or microphone right now, this is exactly where you want to be to update your display name. On this screen, look for the box labeled Display Name. It's typically near your video preview and is easy to spot. This is the name that will appear on your on-screen label, often called the name tag or lower third. Click inside that box, delete whatever's there if needed, and type your new name. Keep it clear and professional. Use proper capitalization, avoid extra punctuation, and choose the version of your name you want viewers and fellow participants to see. If you represent a brand or role, you can include that as part of your name, as long as it stays concise and readable. Take a quick moment to review what you've typed. Think of this as your on-screen identity for the broadcast. If your show has multiple guests with similar names, adding a short identifier, like a title or department, can help people follow along more easily. Just be sure it remains clean and not overly long, so it displays nicely. Once you're happy with your display name, click Enter Studio. That's it. When you join, your new name will appear on the screen exactly as you typed it. Hosts, co-hosts, and viewers will see this label during the broadcast, and it helps keep introductions smooth and lower thirds consistent. If you don't see the change right away, double-check that you edited the display name on the pre-join screen before entering. It's a quick fix. Simply leave, reopen the broadcast link, and update it again in the same box. And you're done. By setting your display name at the camera and mic check screen, you make a strong first impression and keep your broadcast organized from the start. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next StreamYard session with a name tag that does you justice.